Hi guys, so as we said, we really want to make this course as actionable as possible. Now the last thing we want to create is a bunch of videos that you will watch and then you will say to yourself, that's a great strategy. That's an interesting technique. Let me use it later on when I have an actual presentation. You see, we believe in the power of practice, and it's really important that you implement whatever it is that you are learning right from the get-go. But we also believe that it's important to recognize where you are right now. What's your current situation? Because this will allow you to see your progress. You see, we want you to have a situation where you are taking this course, you're performing different challenges, implementing strategies, doing exercises, and then by the end of this course, you can actually see your progress with your own eyes. And this is why we would like to ask you to create a very short video right now where you will introduce yourself. Now, when I said record a video, you probably thought, whoa, wait a second, I'm not ready for that. I took this course because I want to learn how to present. I don't want to present right now. Listen, don't overcomplicate things. I want to ask you to do something very, very simple, okay? Take your phone. It can be any type of phone. It doesn't matter. It's not about the quality. It's about taking action, okay? So take your phone, position it 2 meters away from you just so you can see your body language later on, and record a very short presentation where you basically introduce yourself. Hey, my name is Jimmy. I come from Poland. I'm a traveler. And then tell us about your favorite meal, what you like to eat. Like literally, this is as simple as that. You know what? I love Mexican food. I love burrito. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you will stand in front of the camera and you will talk for 30 to 60 seconds. Now, why am I asking you to do it? Well, there are 2 reasons. Okay, first of all, you're going to push your comfort zone right from the get-go. And that's really important because even though you are using your own phone and you don't need to publish it anywhere, you will still feel a little bit strange. It's a weird feeling to record yourself, but that's going to push your comfort zone and it's going to make it easier for you to essentially derive as many benefits from this course as possible going forward. And the second benefit is that you will see your own progress because now you are recording a video without any preparation, and then later on you will be able to record another video and basically compare the first one to the second one and see your progress. And that's really important because it's going to only motivate you to take even more action and push yourself to the next level. Okay, so please do it. I know that some of you will be thinking, you know what, I'm gonna do it later, I don't need to do it now. But trust me, if you do it now, you will accelerate your progress and you'll increase the probability of getting amazing results. Now, if you have a lot of courage and you want to push yourself to the next level, we encourage you to post that video to YouTube. Now, when I say YouTube, you may be thinking, come on, you're crazy, man. I don't want to post it on YouTube. But listen, you can post it as unlisted video, and then later on you can share the link in the course, and we will personally give you feedback. Okay? So think about it. You don't need to do it, but definitely film a video. And if you feel courageous, post it here and we will give you some awesome feedback. Also, one important thing to add is that even if you post the video here and we give you the feedback, you can delete the video anytime, okay? So it's not like you are posting it forever, but if you actually upload it as unlisted, then nobody else will be able to see that particular video. We will give you feedback, and then right after, if you don't feel comfortable, you can delete it, okay? And by the way, if you still feel uncomfortable about it, check out my YouTube channel and go to some of my first videos, okay? And you will realize that just because now I feel comfortable in front of the camera doesn't mean that it's always been like this.